Hi, Mary. This is Quinn. I was on the phone with you the other day regarding a video I wanted to show you of 4 solutions on how you can beat your competitors while scaling your company's website with SEO. So, by sharing these 4 solutions, it's often resulted in some local business owners raising their hands at the end of their videos and saying, hey, I watched what you did, do it for me. So, if at the end of your video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I can help your business, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you decide that you want to take what you've learned today and do it yourself, that's all right with me too. So let's go ahead and talk about the first thing, the first solution, and that is your company's content. So I went ahead and plugged in your company's homepage content into Word Counter, and it populated with 243 words. This being said, starting off, you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. Let's go ahead and take what your competitor has, Bluestone Tree, and we're going to check out how many words they have for their homepage. They have 74. This is very beatable. So again, in order to be optimized in Google's eyes, you need at least 1,500 words. The second solution to optimizing your company's site are your keywords that your content has. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and take a look at a resource that I use to check out my clients and their competitors' keywords and what they have and what they're using, ranking, and what backlinks they have got. It's called Averys. So Averys shows me all of that good stuff. I spend $99 a month, so if this is a plan that you want to move forward and do yourself, this is a great way of checking out what your company does not have. So currently what we're looking at is your website, the keywords that your website contains for its contents, and then we got 20, the volume. So this is what clients are typing into Google. This is the result each month. So this is July. You've got Bloomington Valley Nursery, you've got 350 that went to your website based on this, what was typed. That being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the keywords for your competitor, Bluestone Tree, right? They are using 1,061 keywords for their content. So this is also very beatable. That being said, there are 2 other reasons why your competitors are beating you right now, and I'll let you know on how to win this fight. That is by building your trust with Google, and how to build your trust with Google is by I took one of these keywords, plugged it into Google, and it's having more citations. So citations are basically the company's name, the address, hours, phone number. This is a very important section that I'd like to go over with you. This is the Google Map Pack, our maps. And like I said, citations are very important for this. So you're probably asking me like, hey, how do I rank in maps? I use Whitesparks. So Whitesparks shows me what my client and their competitors are using for citations. So for citations, you've got 14. Now, if you want to beat your competitors, like blow them completely out of the water, you need at least 200 to 300 citations to top them. We're going to go ahead and take a look at what your competitor has for citations. Again, Bluestone Tree, they got 36 citations. So these are all the citations that they're using. I wanted to go over and cover real quick that Whitesparks, it costs $30 to $70 a month based on the plan. But you can see that your site, again, has 14 and they have 36. So these citations are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yet, City Star, so on and so forth, even Facebook as an area where you can submit as a citation. And we can see that your competition has all these, they're all laid out, and we can take these and use them for your website. So the last important solution that I'd like to cover with you to really crush your competition is to build your website strength and authority. And by that, that's by getting more backlinks, also known as link juice. And we can see that you are, this is page 1. So I found you on page 3. That's not you. Here it is. Here's your company right here on page 3 on the Google Map Pack. So in order to get from here to page 1 to rank number 1, right? These are just ads. But to rank number 1, you need more backlinks. This is the ultimate KO move that you can do in order to optimize your company's website. So backlinks and i.e. link juice, simply put, it works like this. So site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting more like a link juice, i.e. backlink, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. So link juice or backlinks, the more you obtain works a lot more effectively if they are relevant sites linking back to you. So for example, if you have a relevant site linking back to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking back to you because you're not slinging pizzas for a living. So I'm going to go ahead and bring back Averys. Again, this is a tool that I use. It's $99 a month, and it's great for checking out backlinks and your competitors' sites. Go ahead. This is your company. I'm going to go ahead to backlinks. So I'm showing 23 backlinks, and these are the sites that are pointing to you. And then we're going to go ahead and check out how many your competition has over here real quick. And here we can see that the competitors link juice, they've got 5,824 backlinks. So looking down, we can see that these guys have all this. Therefore, we can take every single link that they've got and go after them as their own, as your own, right? You can take all of these. So once again, we went over content, we went over you needing content, we went over your first page needing to be at least 1,500 words. Your citations, you want at least 200 to 300 of those to be your competition by a landslide, and then you want link juice, i.e. backlinks. You want more of those. Ultimate crush, KO move, right? You need more relevant sites pointing to your guys' website to show Google that you are the authority in this line of business. You don't want spammy ones, you want relevant ones. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. So right now, I bet you're thinking like, what now? Well, you can either go with the information that I provided you today and do this on your own. Totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can just give me a call at 812-675-4886. Once again, my name is Quinn, and my number is 812-675-4886. I look forward to hearing from you.